why a number raised to negative n equals 1 divided by a to the power n. When you raise a number to a negative exponent, you get the reciprocal or inverse of that raised number to the corresponding positive exponent. This happens because negative exponents represent division rather than multiplication. Here we have a to the power of 3, which equals to a times a times a. Here we have a to the power of 2, which is a times a, or it can also be written as a to the power of 3 divided by a. And we have a to the power of 1, which is a, which we can also write as a to the power of 2 divided by a. So here we have a to the power of negative 3, which equals to a to the power of negative 2 divided by a, which is equal to 1 divided by a to the power of 2 divided by a, which equals to 1 divided by a to the power of 3. Then we have a to the power of negative 2, which equals to 1 divided by a to the power of 2. A to the power of negative 1 equals to 1 divided by a. And finally, we have a to the power of 0, which equals to 1. Or we can also write it as a to the power of 1 divided by a,